Lolu wulwesihlanu olumnyama ngempela. Kulolusuku lwanamhlanje kukhunjulwa usuku anqanyulezwa ngalo uJesu Krestu eminyakeni eyizindkulungwane ezimbili namashumi amabili eyedlule. Lolusuku lugujwa amakholwa. AmaKristu asebenzisa ezinye izindlela ukubungaza iPhasika.
Kuthule kuthedwe emasontweni kuleli sonto. Izigidi ngezigidi zamakholwa zivaleleke emakhaya zibungaza isonto leyingcwele ngendlela yobuchwepheshe besimanje. Imikhuleko nendumiso kuzokube kwenzeka emakhaya kuleli iPhasika.
It is a very challenging time indeed. Even myself, I would find it difficult to explain how life should be, because from my childhood we knew that when it's Good Friday time, we knew that there will be a lot of activities on a daily basis during this Holy Week. But you ask that question at a time when we've seen people already doing something by way of addressing the gap that has been caused by the lockdown, where people cannot come together as a fellowship, as a communion of saints to worship together. But technology has made life easy.
Amakholwa asenazo izinkonzo azihlelile nakuba engeka hlangane akhuleke ndawonye. Konke lokho azobe ekwenza ngendlela yokukhumbula ukubethelwa nokuvuka kukaJesu.
Seeing that we aren't able to be in church today, I'll be spending my time doing some introspection and meditation on the spiritual messages provided by our church leaders.
Our plan for the Passover weekend is to record videos from different locations, which we will merge into one video that we will play on our social media platforms.
Voxes abaholi bamabandla nabo banxuse ukuthi amakholwa aqhubeke nokukholwa kulesikhathi esinzima.